So, ayun na guys. I'm excited to open my laptop.
VoiceOver on Setup Assistant. Window, back, button, has keyboard focus. You are currently on a button. To click this button, press Control, Option, Space.
Hello guys! Weekend! At kami lang, sinundo yung mga kuya ni Sofia. Kaya nag-order kami ng pizza. Ay, bakit parang sunog yung akin? So, this is my pizza, mini pizza. Wala, hindi ako mag-diet ngayon. Yung umad ko dapat, yun na yung umad ko. Today, but I changed my mind. Because baby girl wants pizza, so I ordered her pizza and chips. Rock. Stop, I'm eating your pizza! Stop! I'm eating your pizza! I asked her to eat in the living room, but ayaw niya. So baka we'll end up eating it's in our room. So, kain siya sa kwarto niya. Kain ako sa kwarto ko. Favorite niya to. Magaling siya kanya. There's my little girl.
Hi.
Okay, let's edit to the living room. Sige na nga. I have pizza too. Look. Look at my mini pizza. Look. Mini pizza.
Thank you, Mommy.
Welcome. So yun guys, we end up eating alone. Oops. You're not having this one. Anyway, I'm doing something. So, I'm gonna eat. I'll eat quickly guys kasi bago mag 7 I should eat before 6 but late na si Sofia na bibili ng so yun, pizza.